how to install the Rust toolchain on a Linux computer that is not connected to the internet. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to do that. As a prerequisite, you will need access to another device, such as a computer, tablet, or phone with an internet connection. Let's get started. But before that, please like and subscribe for more software engineering related content. First, we need to download the installers. On the device with internet access, open a web browser and go to rust-lang.org. Navigate to the install section and scroll down to locate all the installation methods. And follow the link. Find the section Other Ways to Install Rustup and scroll down to the list of links to download Rustup-init. Locate the Linux Rustup installers and click to download the file that matches your offline computer's architecture. Ours is x86-64. Next, download the Rust toolchain standalone installer. Still on the Other Installation Methods page, scroll down to Standalone Installers. The available standalone installers are listed in a table where, for each supported platform, the latest stable and unstable versions can be downloaded. If needed, earlier versions can be found in the archive. Click to download the latest stable version for Linux that matches your offline computer's architecture. With the two installer files downloaded, transfer these files to the offline computer using a USB device or any other available means. Now, let's set up the toolchain. First, install Rustup on the offline computer. Open the terminal in the folder containing the installer files. Add the executable permission to the Rustup init file. Run the Rustup-init file with the default toolchain set to none, as well as the flag -y. This will install Rustup without attempting to install the Rust toolchain. Verify the installation using rustup-version. Next, install the toolchain into a chosen installation folder. Extract the toolchain archive into a folder. Open the terminal in the extracted folder, then run the included installation script install.sh with the argument -- prefix set to the chosen installation folder. This will install the toolchain into the chosen installation directory. With the installation completed, try running cargo -- version. It fails because the toolchain was not added to the system path. We can now safely delete the extracted folder. Now, let's manage the toolchain with Rustup. First, list the available toolchains using the command rustup toolchain list. As expected, there is no registered toolchain. Next, register the toolchain with Rustup using the command rustup toolchain link with arguments, the chosen name of the toolchain, and the installation folder. Verify this by listing the toolchains again. Set the toolchain as the default with the command rustup default followed by the name of the toolchain. Finally, verify the setup by running cargo -- version. The setup is now complete. Why use Rustup? With Rustup, you can install and manage multiple Rust toolchain versions on the same computer. For example, to use a beta version alongside Rust 1.80, follow a similar approach to install it in a chosen folder, then use Rustup to link and optionally set it as the default toolchain. Check out our article linked in the description for more details on the commands used.